right, we tried this last year without any success. That was down in Avila. Today we're out of Morro Bay. There's a rumor that they're catching fish, so we're gonna try to catch some salmon. It's my first mate, Colton.
What up?
He's actually caught a salmon before. I haven't, so yeah, see what the day brings. Here's salmon, 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 salmon. Should I let him take line or no?
Yeah, you can. It's fine. If he's not taking that much line, just bring him in.
All right, we are hooked up, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, did you lose that baby?
Got him, he's on.
Okay. Yeah, mine was a baby. They gotta be 24 inches and he was about 18. Alright, your downrigger coming up?
Yeah, it should be all the way almost up.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring the boat around and we'll keep him, we'll try and keep him behind the boat.
Okay.
We'll keep him on that side.
And I'll back up,
Alright.
and then you'll come forward.
Yeah.
All right, see the downrigger's pretty much up.
Alright,
Push the green button on the downrigger. It's pretty much there. Good, he's tugging.
You want me to take it out of gear?
No, we still have a ways.
Okay.
Keep this, what we're doing right here is good.
Taking line still or?
No, he's coming towards us.
Perfect.
All right, we should be getting pretty close.
There he is, I see him. Right there.
Yeah, I see it.
It's a nice fish.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, get ready for net duty. So I'm gonna back up, and then you gotta just scoop him.
Yeah. Boat's so squirrely.
And I'm just gonna reel pretty hard too.
I'm gonna come around here. Come on, right there. Alright. Bring him up. Oh, he's a big one. Monster.
All right. I'd go neutral pretty soon, or I don't know. What do you think?
Ah, shit, good. Come around. Come around. Come around.
All right, ready?
I'm gonna pop in.
Make a move. Make a move.
I got it.
Wheel.
Bring him up.
Go.
He's a monster.
Watch the net. Watch the net. You're on the thing.
Bring him up. Walk up to the front of the boat. I don't know if he's gonna fit this net, dude.
Head first. Come on, close up. Oh!
20-pounder.
Yeah! Look at that thing, dude! Holy shit!
That was a ton.
Oh my god!
Alright, let's get back in the water.
Dude! Oh! Yeah! Woo!
Let's get back in the water.
Alright. That was a double. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, fuck. Alright. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Chovy? Oh, yeah, dude!
Double, but mine was a baby.
Oh.
Dude,
have freaking marked it. I didn't mark it. Fishy, fishy! All right, we started off north of Morro Bay. We were fishing like 140 feet of water and fishing near the bottom. There was a bunch of kelp in that area and we kept getting kelp snagged on our lines. So we went out deeper and then we started hearing on the radio, we're saying that they were catching fish right at the bottom, 190, 200 feet on the wire. So we decided to, go deep, and we hooked up. We actually went through an area and had a double. Colton caught a short, and then I hooked up to, I don't know, 20 pounder, 20, 25 pound salmon. I don't know how big it is, but my first salmon ever. I've never caught a salmon before, so super stoked, but we're not done yet. We were on the water right at 5:15. It's 3:15 now. We're kind of running into some issues with kelp. See, I don't know what to say, dude. Drawing blank.
Got a downrigger wrapped up in the prop. Where's the downrigger?
We saved a downrigger. We had an eventful day. We can seaweed, we can sand dab, seagull. Yeah. That was cool.
Flying kite.
I caught a seagull. Yeah. First seagull I've ever caught. Anyways, 140 feet, wasn't working out, so we decided to troll deeper. Once we got out to deeper water, we heard the commercial boats were catching salmon right on the bottom. So we basically set everything up right on the bottom, 190 to 200 feet on the wire, essentially straight out from the Morro Bay rock. And there was one area where we hooked into a double. Colton caught, it was a short, so we a shaker, so we didn't even net him. He got off at the boat. And then I hooked into a, I don't know, maybe 20-pound salmon, pretty good sized salmon that we're gonna fillet up right now when we get to the parking lot. This is my first salmon. I've never caught a salmon before, so I've caught a kokanee salmon, but they're a lot smaller and fresh water. Pretty awesome day. I'm stoked. I mean, only one fish. It would have been nice to catch a few more fish, but I don't know. It's great conditions and beautiful day. And we caught a salmon, so I'm happy. You happy? Colton's happy. All right, I'm done talking to myself. Oh, I just caught a seagull. God damn it. You gotta be kidding me. Seagull? I want my hooks back. Stop moving. I'm trying to help you.